Hi everyone, my name is Nitita Jan'uom. I am a student of English major at the Faculties of Humanities and Social Science at Pranakon Rachapat University. Today, I'm going to talk about consonant sounds between p and b. The p and b sounds are often studied as a pair because both sounds are produced in the front of the mouth with the tongue in the same place. The only difference is that the b sound is voiced and p sound is voiceless. Okay, I have 10 words of consonant sounds between p and b sounds. Example: pan, peach, pear, pain, point. Ban, beach, beer, bang, and bee. Then I have an example from a foreigner. Let's sing together.
Pan, peach, pear, pain, point, ban, beach, beer, bang, bee.
Thanks for watching.